Guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about Indian Meteorological Department. Our today's quotation is anger and intolerance are the enemies of correct understanding. So stay calm and do your work. Said by Mahatma Gandhi. Our one-liner questions are IMD established in which year? IMD is governmental organization under which ministry? How many percent of workforce depends on agriculture and contribution in GDP in 2020? Sustainable Development Goal 13. What is this Sustainable Development Goal 13? IMD launch which app to study black carbon and other weather data? Our today's question is the Indian Meteorological Department must continue to widen its focus towards business and service sector. We have to comment on it. You can draw this map. Then our introduction would be established in 1875 is a governmental organization under the Ministry of Earth and Science responsible for the weather forecasting, seismology, meteorology. Then initially it worked for agriculture, but now it is broadened its scope and also cover business and service sector. Information provided by IMD is helpful for agriculture, irrigation, aviation, disaster management like cyclone, shipping and other allied subjects. Our benefits are 40% of our workforce depend upon agriculture and it contributes in GDP 19.9% in 2021. Indian agriculture mostly depends upon monsoon, but popularly we called it gamble of rain and monsoon. Improved services and accurate information help farmers in irrigation, cropping and procure their crops. It also helps to save money, lives through the early information about natural climate. In business, it helps in transportation of goods and especially the fishermen's to fishing purpose. IMD also forecast Bay of Bengal, Arab Ocean and Gulf region which also help us to build our country's soft power. So many businesses are also depends upon agriculture sector. They can be get benefited and we can also reduce climatic situations like hydro power plant incident in Uttarakhand recently happened by early forecasting of weather. Then IMD also faced some issues like followed statistical model. Sometimes assumptions goes wrong. Good data is not available on many parameters like land and sea. Our computational resources are also limited and complex monsoon like topography of Indian subcontinent hard to analyze and forecast our weather system. Steps need to be taken. We have to take some steps. Which are they? Need to improve accuracy through using supercomputers such as Aditya, improved computation model through satellites, advanced technology to provide accurate weather forecasting, need to adopt dynamic model, need to increase manpower and reduce bureaucratic approach. We can also use satellite like INSAT 3DR, OceanSat and Navik which is recently launched and color Doppler radar to reduce errors. Need more research and development in this sector. Launch on summer also help to study black carbon and other weather data. Need to use it properly. Need to decentralize and widen area like industries, municipal and block level. Need to spread awareness through media, TV, radios and launch of Mosam Umang app is also good step which is based on radar and updated within 10 minutes. Our conclusion would be by the adaptation of all these measures, IMD can remove errors and help more in the every sector to grow. It will also save many lives and properties and develop our economy through forecasting for businesses and service sector. It also helps us to achieve Sustainable Goal 13 which is climate action. Answers of one-liner questions. IMD established in 1875 under Ministry of Earth and Science. 40% of our workforce depends upon agriculture. Agriculture sector contribute 19.9%. Sustainable Development Goal 13 is climate action. IMD launched summer to study the black carbon and other weather data. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.